totally remodeled and beautifully furnished. This large 2-bedroom 2-bath direct access waterfront condo is situated on Marco Island's south and within walking distance to the beach access. Open kitchen with granite countertops, glass backsplash, stainless steel appliances, custom cabinets, and stacked washer/dryer. Impact glass sliders and windows with new Hunter Douglas plantation shutters. All tile, no carpet. The first floor location allows you to walk out your back door to the pool, hot tub, gas grills, and docks. New air conditioner in 2017. Water direct access with enough dock for a 30-foot boat. Docks are available for lease, at the time of listing, through the association for $1,200 per year. You are close to Marco Island's finest restaurants, shops, and movie theater. The market is hot and this unit won't last long.